My name is Cole McBee. I'm part of the class of 2026, and I am one of the recipients of the Bozeman Health Volunteer Scholarship. So I study at Montana State University, and currently I'm studying cell biology and neuroscience. So what sparked my interest in cell biology and neuroscience was it's really tailored to people who want to go into medicine. So I came into college knowing that I wanted to become a physician, and so it matches all the prereqs. And I've always really enjoyed biology and chemistry, so that kind of just fit into it as well. What got me into medicine, initially I was really squeamish and I couldn't do anything related to medicine. I couldn't even do needles. I almost passed out when I was like 7 and I got pricked by my cousin's glucometer for her diabetes. So when I was a sophomore in high school, I was playing basketball and I was on a small rim and I dunked the ball and I flipped to the other side and broke my wrist. And so I had to go into the ER and get surgery for that. From that moment on, I kind of got to observe how doctors can have an immediate impact on someone's life, especially when it's like a really vulnerable time for them. And so that kind of sparked my interest in that, and I started looking more into anatomy and kind of physiology, and just skyrocketed from there. Currently, I want to become an ER doc. Originally, I want to be an orthopedic surgeon, and then I shadowed an emergency physician. And I just really found that kind of fit me, especially going back to how physicians can have such an impact on someone's life when they're in such a vulnerable moment. And just the pace of being an emergency physician and the variety of scope, because you see everything. So I'd like to do that and then maybe complete a fellowship in toxicology after I graduate residency. So currently I've spent about 120 hours shadowing different physicians. So that'll include cardiothoracic surgery, orthopedics, emergency medicine, family medicine, and then ICU. And I'm gonna be shadowing another ICU doc this upcoming week. From what I've found, shadowing emergency physicians has been the most impactful for me. Just getting to see the variety of things I've seen. I've seen a lot of pretty dire states, and just it's a variety, and I think it's really cool that you can have such an impact on someone's life. One piece of advice I would have for someone who wants to pursue a career in medicine is you need to be resilient. Never doubt yourself, because I've struggled with doubting myself in my own academic performances, but the more you're just consistent with it and the more confident you are in your abilities, you just got to keep pushing through it. It's hard, and everyone that goes through it knows it's very hard, but you just have to keep at it. And as for resources, I would say you can kind of just look around online. There's a lot of different forums, especially if you have people in your life that are in medicine. I'm sure that they can help you. I've gotten a lot of help and just opportunities out of reaching out to people that I know.